Angie Rush here, or Angel, whatever works best for you. I'm sorry if I'm talking a little low, but I have my niece and my sister and my brother-in-law sleeping in the other room because I'm here for a couple months to help them with the baby, so I'm not trying to wake anybody up. You feel me? So today I have a video, as you can see by the title, of how to make your nails look like acrylics. Okay, press-on nails look like acrylics for under $10. I know it's crazy, but I can make it work and I can show you guys how to do it, and you get to ditch the nail glue on top of that. So I'm going to show you all the things that I bought. I will link all the products that I use down below so you guys can check them out. I got everything from Amazon. So the first thing you need is some type of light. I got this from Amazon. It's a 6-watt light, of Lux one, and it comes with a 1-year warranty. This was literally $5.90. Hello, amazing. It has a little stand and everything. I brought gel nail polish, which I can't find right now, with a base and a top coat, and that was $3.99. And then I bought the nails, which I saw some on Shein that I'm gonna start buying, which are $2, under $10 you see. But the nails I bought were kiss nails. As you can see, they had a shimmer on it and all that. I just ended up doing them like this. See, what I hate the most about press-on nails is that they come off so easily. These do not come off. Literally, they don't come off. I've been washing my face. My hair is gonna be getting washed. These don't come off. And I'll show you a trick, and I'll put the link in the bio of where I've learned this trick from. So I had to try them out. Anyway, let me walk you through the process. So basically, I ditched the nail glue. I'm sick of it. It's annoying. I'm always freaking putting more nail glue on. I've had press-on nails before, and the reason why I got press-on nails, one, I do kind of like getting my nails done, but I also like my natural little stubs. The reason why I hate it is because it just tears up my natural nail. It makes it paper thin. It's annoying. I'm sure y'all can relate. And what I like about press-ons is they don't ruin my nails, and also why I like nails is because I have a thing called dermatillomania. So when I'm stressed out, I literally tear up my skin and my hangnails, and I pick at my face. But for some reason, when I have nails done, I don't tend to do that. So that's why I like having nails. I think it's just because my hands look pretty and I don't want to make them ugly. But I feel so bad that I don't have it. I can't have energy. I can't scream and jump, but y'all will get the drift. Okay. First thing I did is I trimmed them before I started, and I trimmed some of the sides of my nails so that there was no extra nail peeking out on the side. I filed my nails a little better so it can adhere onto it better, and I washed my hands before, so all my natural oils on my nails are gone. But I pushed my cuticles back, and I put a base coat of the nail polish, and then I held the nail in place. That's it. Held the nail in place, and I put it underneath my sunlight until the light went out. I put it under about 2 times just to make sure it was definitely stable. And then from there, I cut them up to the length that I like, because they were super long. Even now, I think they're too long, and I wish I cut them off a little smaller because typing on my computer is getting on my nerves. But I'll get used to it. And then I filed them down, and then from there, I put on a top coat, and I put them underneath the thing about 2 times as well. They're stuck. They're beautiful. They're great. Wait a second, is that this whole video? I thought this video was gonna be longer, but I guess it doesn't take that long to just tell you guys how I did my nails. I showed you guys as I talked a little bit of a demo, but that's how I did them. Also, what I did, a pro tip of what I did after, is you're supposed to use alcohol and gel polish to kind of clean it off, because it's like kind of tacky if not. You guys know when you get your nails done, they like put alcohol on your fingers and they rub it off. I didn't have alcohol, and you can use nail polish remover that has no acetone. I didn't have that either. So everybody I know has this, because Miss COVID. I actually used hand sanitizer, and it worked perfectly fine, which is so funny. So I used hand sanitizer to kind of set them and wipe them down, and that literally is it. And when I apply them at literally at the root of my nail. I didn't want any sides showing. I wanted them strictly to be these false nails, you see. And also what I did is I trimmed some of the sides of my nails so that there was no extra nail peeking out on the side. That is how I got this look and how my nails look like some damn acrylic. I'm also such a perfectionist when I do this, so sometimes when I put it underneath the light, I put it in crooked, and I literally just rip it off, file down the glue, and just redo it. I haven't had any problems since. I can keep you guys posted. In the comments, I will pin when the first nail falls off. I'll pin how many weeks it is, but these are holding up pretty damn good, and they're so pretty, and I just think everyone needs to know this, especially my quarantine sisters. We're still in quarantine. Miss Corona is still out partying, so we can't do our thing. So if you're freaked out of going to nail salons, this is a great alternative for you, and it's so cheap. Why not save a buck, y'all, and do your nails by yourself while avoiding all the Corona town going out? But that's it. That's the end of the video. I have nothing else to share. Thank you guys so much for watching this video again. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Remember to be humble, okay? And always remember, self-love is the best love, and it's not goodbye. It's see you later. Bye, guys. Mwah. Bye.
Still getting closer to my dreams. Look, excuse me as I take a step closer to my dreams.